Have you ever asked yourself how to market your business? And when I think of how to market my business, I start to separate into sales and then marketing. So sales to me is basically going to be that active activities that you're going to do to reach out to people. And first thing you want to do is you want to start with your warm audience. So warm audience are going to be people that already know you. So those are friends, family, coworkers, just anybody that already knows you. So easy ways to prompt this list is that you want to start looking through your cell phone, start looking through your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn. And really, I even got creative and actually asked my cousin for her wedding list to help give me a prompt of, friends and family that we already knew. So once you start to develop this list, you're going to reach out to them just like you would a cold list. But you can basically start to call, if you can text, you can send direct messages through Facebook and Instagram, and letting them know what you do. So the warm is really a list that you want to exhaust first before you start going off on all these other tangents, and really make sure that you've developed that list and that you have a good marketing system of staying in front of the people that already know you and already like you. Once you've done that, then you can look to go to cold, and basically you want to develop a list again. In that cold, you can go direct to consumer or you can go to power partners. With direct to consumer, you're still going to need a list of people to contact. Obviously, you're going to need to come up with that list of getting names, phone numbers, emails. I know for me, when I first got into the business, I used the good old phone book, and I was actually calling people at their homes saying, hey, would you like to lower your rate? And it was an easy way for me to get into the business and just straight up started using the phone book. I then, same with the phone book, I was calling power partners, I was calling real estate agents, CPAs, financial planners, architects, and basically just calling them and setting meetings. But with the power partners is you want to be able to get that list. And I like to use what I call the omnipresent marketing strategy, is that I'm going to use cold email, cold calls, texts, voicemail drops, direct mail, and basically be hitting these power partners and basically setting up the meetings. The challenge with the power partners is it's gonna take longer for you to develop that relationship where somebody might be able to refer you versus when you do consumer direct is that they can basically become a client right away in most cases with most businesses. So I would say that if you're looking to increase and market your business, start with that consumer direct, but while you're doing that consumer direct, also be working with power partners. Now, if we shift over to looking at marketing, marketing to me is going to be what are the tools that you're going to use to get people to come into your world. And in marketing is basically going to be more inbound. So you're putting out, in essence, I like to think of the like lures that you're fishing, and that basically you have all sorts of other hooks that are out there that are bringing people into your business. First, obviously, you can use direct mail, Facebook, Instagram, and Google. There's another plethora of other things that you could do with marketing, but I would say that these three would probably be the big core of where I see the best way to really increase your business. Obviously, you could be doing TV and radio, but the cost becomes very expensive. So some of the least expensive ways are going to be direct mail, Facebook, Instagram, and Google. So if you're looking at ways to increase your marketing, think about the kind of outreach that you can make versus the basic marketing systems that you can have to be bringing leads into your business. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.